guys, happy holidays. I hope that you guys had an amazing Christmas. I spent time with family, so mine was perfect. Okay guys, so I have a wig review for you guys sponsored by samsbeauty.com. The links to this unit will be in the description of this video, so in case you are interested in purchasing this unit, y'all can go ahead and do so. Okay, y'all, so this unit is by Outre. This is the Outre melted hairline lace front wig. And this one, her name is Elara, and this is in the color DR99J Rosy Spice. Okay, that's the name. Alright, so it comes in a variety of colors, y'all. I can't go through all of them right now, but yeah, she's a really pretty unit. I've seen quite a few reviews, not a lot, but a few, because most of them are in black, natural black. So this is her. This is Elara. That's her right there. This is the color that I have. It's like a blend of pinks, like, you know, like a rosy pink, because of course the color is Rosy Spice, so it is indeed a mix of pinks. This is a 24-inch unit, and it's heat resistant and safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is HD transparent lace. Y'all know Outre is always coming through with the lace, right? Yeah, so anyway, let me show you this unit. Okay, y'all, so this is the unit right here. She is gorgeous. I love the shades of pink on this unit. Really nice. I love the waves. Like, it's really nice. It's giving beachy. This is the inside. Two combs in the front, one comb in the back, adjustable band, and regular adjustable straps in the back as well. And this is the lace. Okay, so you get a good amount of parting space though. Down here you get a good amount of parting space, and this is what the lace is looking like on the back of my hand. Really natural, I must say. It comes with baby hairs. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them, y'all. Probably not. I don't know. Okay, y'all, so y'all should know how I install my units by now, but if not, I will drop my wig installation playlist in the description of this video, so you guys can go watch that. As per usual, let me grab this baby popper on my head, see what she looks like straight out the pack. So straight out the pack, hold on, y'all, let me just bring her down a little bit more. So straight out the pack, this is what she's giving. Let me bring all the hair to the front. She is gorgeous. She is full as well. She's almost giving me a slight yaki texture, not fully yaki, but it's giving me a little bit of, you know, hints of yaki. All right, so yeah, with that being said, sit back, relax, and enjoy this install. Bye.